How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa es Tu Casa, and today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. So if you want to know what I receive in this puppy, you will have to stay watching. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start by saying that Boxycharm forgot my postcard where you get all the information for the products in here and the prices. So please bear with me. I will try to get all that information and post it in the description box below. So being that said, I'm just going to open the box. And I tried this video already, so please bear with me. I did, but situations happen that I have to redo it. So I'm going to pull out the hourglass. This is how it looks, the container. And this is the hourglass vanishing flash highlighting stick. So we were going to open this puppy again, and this is how the container looks. Very nice, very sleek. Hourglass. And when you open it, it looks like this. And this is the stick. If you guys can see, wow, it's a lot of product in there though. And then we are just going to swatch it right here. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So let me just close it. Again, it looks like this. And look at that. Look at that. And it's very blendable. And you see how it did kind of disappear, but that glow is right there. Gorgeous. I'm in love with that one already. And then I got the Black Lash Primer in the color Jet Black Volume. And this is the Blink. This is a mascara. Nice. You know, you can never go wrong with having mascaras. And then I got the Wonder Beauty brand, and this is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and it looks like this. Hope you guys can see that. Very nice. And I love the container. Look at that. It has like a dropper. Very nice, so you won't, you know, let too much than what you need. Let too much out what you need. And last but not least, I received this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Beauty Creations. It's the Cali Chick. I love that sunset, the ocean, the palms. That looks so beautiful. It gives me some Miami vibes, Florida vibes. So this way. There you go. So it has a mirror. So we're gonna turn that around. And I already swatched these, so I'm just gonna show you. So this one is called Boardwalk, the one in the middle. And that's the first one right here. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous, and it is very highlighted. And then the second one that I swatched was this one up here that's called Venice. And I'm gonna bring them closer to you, maybe right there. And this one is coming out like white out there, but it's really not. It's like a tan color right there. And then I swatched the one called Sail, which is this one right here. And it's that one right there again. Very, very highlighted and pigmented. And then I did this one that's called up here Malibu, which is this one right here. Beautiful colors. Very nice colors. Now, one thing I must say, you have some shimmer and some matte in here. So that's nice, a combination of all that. That is my Boxycharm for May. I'm trying to put it back in the box. So I got this. I have my hourglass highlighting stick. I have my Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And I have my Blink mascara, or lash primer, I should say. Those were the products that I received in May. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, comment below if you have any of these products and how they work with you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. What did I put? This. Ciao.